tools that I use for putting this flooring in. I mean, when you want to tighten up the joint here on any piece of board, you put a hammer in here or put a board in here. This is an offcut, so it's got that groove. You hit it there. Well, it doesn't work when you're here. So what I have here is this little tool, and you drive it into the wood, and then you just lever it over, and it sucks that board over sideways, so I can staple it in. You can see the tool. It's kind of like a pry bar with teeth. And the other tool that I have is this tool, and this is also really useful for getting baseboard off. In fact, that might be the original use for it. But the other thing you can do is, like here on this piece that I got to put in here, I'm going to have to drive it into this notch here, this tongue and groove thing here. So what I'll do is I'll put it on the end of the board like that, and then I can hit it here with a hammer to apply force to the end of the board. So I'm putting this piece in. I put glue here, and normally there'd be a baseboard here, and what I would do is I would use a pin nailer and pin nail it along there, the edge, and then those pin nails would cover the baseboard. But because I don't have those baseboards and I can't hide up the pin nails, I'm going to put glue there. Normally I wouldn't, but I just want them to hold on to the end there. And I do put a staple right in the very end there, so I mean, it's held down pretty good. So hopefully this fits. So I've got to come in this way, and I got to go that way. So first I got to go that way. So I'm going to take this thing here and hit this. And then that drops in there like that. And I take this. Okay, so then to push this over sideways, I take my board here and I drive this in. And then I just give it a push like that. Because I normally, like I say, on the rest of the floor, I just use a hammer and I hit it against the edge of the board, but there's no room to swing the hammer here effectively. So that's where this little tool comes into place. Compressor sounds like it's on its last legs. Only had it for like 25 years. The staple here didn't decide to go all the way in. So I just have that last board to cut. 2 boards. So I better get on that. Okay, making a cut here with my track saw. So a bit of a screw up here. I kind of forgot about this thing hanging over here. So the problem is I couldn't fit the piece into here and go on this groove without getting into there. What I should have done is these pieces, this piece, and this piece, all 3 of them, I should have put them down together and kind of done like this and then folded it like that. But I didn't, so what I ended up doing is I ripped off the bottom half of the groove here, and now this will fit in. Oh, it'll fit. I haven't actually tried it, but I have to trim it a bit more because this row, see, this wall is quite curved. Huh, is that funny? It's like, anyways, it'll fit in there now. I just gotta cut a little more off of this. Its wall is like this, so it's like loose there, and tight here. So, but it'll fit in, and I'll just put glue under it, and it'll be fine. Oh, there we go. We're done. Oh, door slide's nice. Yeah, that's fixed. Got the bar up there. Got the new bar in the closet. I still have to do the closet doors. The floor is all done. I think it looks pretty nice. Certainly an improvement over the rides Tommy that were here. Room needs painting, but I'm gonna call it quits for today. Well, that's the other one done. Pretty quick, easy one here. Fit it in between everything else. Anyways, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.